Today we're going to be sharing how you can turn an antique lamp into a wireless lamp and make your own velvet lampshade. I found this vintage lamp at a thrift store for $5 and I just started by cleaning it up because it was super dusty. Since I'm going to be using this first at my wedding and it's going to be outdoors and there's not much electric, and then in my office afterwards where there's only one plug, I wanted to make this cordless, so I just used wire cutters to trim off the plug and cord. Then I got to work on the velvet lampshade, so I actually bought this velvet at Joann's, sadly, last year, and it's this beautiful green shade, so I just stretched that out with the right side facing down. And then I thrifted a couple lampshades for $1. I started by lining up the seam that is on the lampshade, and I made a dot with a Sharpie on each side of that. And then I just rolled the lampshade along and traced as it rolled right along the side of the top and the bottom of the lampshade until you get back to the seam again. And you'll want to make sure that you roll it back and forth a couple times before lining it up, just to make sure that you have enough fabric for the whole shade. Then I just used a ruler to connect both of the ends. Then I just cut down the fabric, so I left about 1/4 to a 1/2 inch allowance along the flat edges, and then around the rounded sides I left like 1.5 inches to 2 inches. Then I just used a spray adhesive and I sprayed the back side of the fabric as well as the lampshade. My adhesive said to let it dry for about a minute and then you can join them together. So then I took my lampshade and I followed that same seam that I had used to draw the lines, and I lined up the seam with the 2 dots I had originally drawn, and then I just tightly rolled it onto the fabric. You want to make sure you're working kind of quickly so that the spray adhesive doesn't fully dry. So then I just flipped it on the top, and you're going to want to start tucking down all of the extra on the top and bottom, sealing it into the inside of the lampshade. To allow the fabric on the top to go around the little metal pieces, I just had to cut 3 slits right above where the metal piece was, and then I could fold it down into the lampshade. Then you can start putting your lamp together. So I had this puck light situation that I've used in previous projects, and I had got these socket adapters and puck lights and I just stuck them together. So I put my lampshade on and then I just screwed this into the base. They also just have the wireless light bulbs now, I just didn't have any on hand.